Hello guys, welcome to AR Tutorials. Today this video is fully informative video for the students who have just completed their CET examinations and are on set to take the admission in the engineering field. So this video is completely dedicated to COEP Technological University, as I am the 4th year CAC BTech student from this college. So friends, at my time I was in a really big confusion that how the college works. I was not aware of what syllabus was there. I was not aware about the subjects which were taught in this college. I just took this college because I was having a good grades in the examination, and my rank was pretty good. So before that, I really want to tell you that the COEP college is very good college and have a very good curriculum activities and extracurriculum activities also. So I really want to tell you that if your score is good, please do consider this college because it's a government uh, college which has now converted to the university, but the legacy remains the same. It has the great history of 180 years. So just for the information, I want to tell you that how the website works. So this is the COEP Technological University website. The website link I'll be posted in the description section. So I'll tell you that how you can download the syllabus, how you can see the important notices, how you can see when is the spot round, when is the academic activities starting, when is the first day of college, when you have to come to college, when it is that and this. Everything is displayed on this website only. So I'll give you the overview of this website. So first I'll tell you about the notices. So when you scroll down to the this section, you will not see that where is the, or you might feel that where are the notices. So here you can see there is a menu in which you have seen the notice. So in this, in the title with the respective date and with the links of PDFs, you will be given the all the types of notices here only. In this website displays every single notice, and if you want anything related to COEP, you will find it here only. Just for your information, I'll just download one and you will show. Okay, so this is the one pending fees. This type of notices you will see. These notices are typically in printed format only. You have to download and read the notices. So this is for the notice section. Now we'll just, okay, so now we'll see about the fee structures. So where you have to see the fee structure first. Now we'll talk about how to see the fee structures. So talking about fee structures, from last 2 years, the is being hiked continuously. I don't know why, as the COEP is already a government unitary public university. Still, there are some consequences, I think, in which the fees has been hiking. So let's see. But when I joined this college, the fees were pretty decent. So not that much high and that much low, but now it is really hiking. It has cost 1.5 lakh, I guess. Okay, so this is the BTech first year, BTech all disciplinaries. So you don't have to see all the stuff, just you have to see the total. So open is 1.4 lakhs. For SC/ST, it's around 9.5k. Now for VJNT, OBC and all other categories, there is 1.25 lakhs. For EBC is 1.33. For TWS, it is 1.25. And this all other belongs to the other reserved people, which are not basically from Maharashtra, but there are Indian origin. JNK quota is there. There is Indian seats, there are JEE seats, there are NRI seats, there are various environment in the college where everyone from every part of India can happily stay there and complete their education. So COEP is all about versatility and the great culture. So, but now as coming to the part of fees, it is very hiking because this is not a normal fees because it is a government college. So, but no offense, the college is really good. So only the fees is the hurdle, but this college is really good. So this is all about the fees. I think we'll first go preference wise. So the first we'll see the departments. So when you will see the department, many of departments are missing here in this menu. So what you have to do, you have to just double tap on the departments. You will see all the departments in the COEP field. Now here specifically, if you want to check the COEP computer engineering department, so this is all about the computer engineering department, who is the HOD, what it is, mails, and all the information here. So if you want any single thing, you can check all these things. These are authentic and all verified informations, so you can trust it, because I have also read. And if you want a syllabus, so this is a syllabus copy of only computer engineering field. So here, while clicking on it, you can see SYBY. For your information, friends, the first year syllabus is completely similar to all kinds of departments. So from second year only you will get the syllabus branch wise. So in first year you will get the common syllabus. Now under the university you might get 1 or 2 additional subjects which are in the course, but 90% all the syllabus would be same for all branches. So I'll now download the SY. So this is the SY. So let me show you the semester. Now COEP has a very tough curriculum, to be really honest, because in third semester you will have 12 subjects, and in third semester you have 13 subjects. And yes, no, it is not okay. And yes, you have to complete it all. You have to complete all 10, 13 subjects in each semester without failing and without getting any marks less, because UEP has a very tough curriculum, as I have told you earlier. So if you lag behind, it's a big problem. So please always be on point, always be on toes when if you want to take admission to the COEP. And if you want the academics information, you can see academics. If you want to join the clubs, everything is present here. And placement, if you want to see the placements, everything is present. So this is there. So for additional information, I can tell you that COEPs, when you get admitted to COEP, the 3 main portals are there where you have to log in. That is mentioned here. First it is COEP mail, then it is a Moodle, and one it is a MIS login. These 3 will handle all your academic stuffs. So these 3 are very important. After that you can there are many all stuffs also in that, which I'll be covering in the next lecture. So thank you guys for watching my video, and if it finds useful, please share it with your friends, and please give a like if you really find this video a useful video.